People who know me know I keep a van full of tools and I like to fix things, so it's not unusual for them to ask me to do a quick repair for them on something. So for this next little segment, what you're going to need here is some cable tie. You can get these at your Harbor Freight or Home Depot, and they come in various sizes. So if you'd like to do handyman work, always keep these things in your car. They're very handy for so many things, not just tying wires. And the other thing I like to keep is a good selection of screws, a good variety of them, but also drywall screws. Have these in your car. These are great for softwood. They have a very aggressive thread to them, which makes it easy to do what we're going to do in this next video segment. They're not the super high tensile strength of other screws, but they can grip really well in a tough situation. And you also, of course, need your screwdriver. For this next segment, I do not recommend using an impact drill or drill because you may strip the wood further and then create a bigger problem, and then you really have some issues to explain to the homeowner that you just fixed the railing in their house. So watch this next segment, and again, thank you for tuning in and just checking this out. So enjoy. Okay, here with a little quick repair tip. Here's one of the things you get into when you start doing a little bit of handyman work. You get into a situation where the rails are loose and you know these screws don't fit tight into the wood. So one little trick is to take some cable tie here and stick it into the hole, which I'll show you in just a moment, and tighten your screw up. This works really well if you have a little stripped out hole here where the wood isn't quite gripping the screw. You can see I pulled this out. It's just a regular old drywall screw somebody had put in. And if you are going to do any handyman work, make sure you get yourself one of these. These are great little flashlights, and I love the way this works in a situation like this where you can kind of set it anywhere and angle it up so I can see exactly what I'm doing. So let's give this a go. So I can feel how much tighter this is going into that hole. It's considerably more sturdy. See, it definitely holds a lot tighter. So what I need to do is carefully cut this little piece off so we don't have that sticking out.